Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I achieve this simple makeup look and this flawless lace closure install, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be doing a simple makeup tutorial. So basically getting ready with me to do my YouTube videos, because this is how I always do my makeup. I already did my eyebrows off camera, so I am starting off with the eye look, and I'm adding my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn on my lids, and I'm gonna be using just a little brush to kind of blend it in. Sometimes I use my finger, sometimes I use both. So I'm going in with this palette. I think it's a ColourPop and Makeup by Shayla collaboration, and I'm going in with that brown color you guys saw there. I'm just putting it into my crease and kind of all over my lid somewhat, and I'm creating like a V at the end of my eyes, and I'm going in with that shimmer shade. It's almost done because guys I use it a lot, okay? And I'm just using this flat brush to put the shimmer shade onto my eyelids, and I'm not putting it all over. You guys can just see where I am putting it. I am not big on eyeshadow guys, so I tend to just do like 2 colors on my eyelids sometimes. And so for the rest of my face now, I'm going in with this shade Beautiful Bronze from LA Girl, and I'm putting it under my eyes, under my chin, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it out. For some reason, as I was blending this out, I realized that it just kept disappearing, and I was wondering what is happening. That's why I was looking on the sponge like that, because it just kept disappearing. I thought there was nothing on my face, but I don't know, maybe they're watering down the concealers these days. So I'm going over that with my Fawn concealer in the shade Fawn, and you guys can see where I'm placing it. So you kind of want to, when you place in your concealer, you kind of want to put it upwards when it comes to your eyes, so it can give you that lift, okay? We don't do the triangle thing anymore. We don't do that. So I'm using my damp beauty blender or my damp sponge just to blend that in. And if you feel like you want some more, you just go in and add some more. At least that's what I do. I don't like a whole lot of stuff on my face, so I try to keep it really simple. But with makeup, the choice is yours. You kind of do what you feel comfortable with, and this is what I feel comfortable doing. So I seldom use foundation when I do my videos, so after I put my concealer on, I will go in with some foundation, and this one is from Juvia's Place, and it is in the shade Burkina, and I'm just using that to blend the concealer, and I'm putting it everywhere that I did not put the concealer, if you understand what I'm saying. So instead of putting it all over your face, you kind of put it in the areas that you did not put concealer. So for contour, I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour palette. This is a powdered version. I'm just going in with the darkest shade. So I think this is medium to dark, and I'm going in with the darkest shade just to give me some contour. As I said, it's nothing crazy. Sometimes I use liquid concealer for my contour, sometimes I use powder. So I am going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I am putting that where the concealer is, where I put my highlight, okay? Everywhere I have highlight, I'm putting that there. And then I am going into my contour shade again, and I'm going to try and contour my nose, okay y'all? We're trying to snatch this nose over here, but not too snatch, okay? Don't want it to look like I picked my nose up at a mall or something, okay? So you kind of want to use a blending brush to blend your contour onto your nose. You don't want this sharp line, you don't want that. And then I'm going in with my setting powder again, and I'm just, you know, like making that contour pop. So onto the eyes y'all, I'm using this glue. So it's a brush on glue from Duo, and it is in the shade, it's blue but then it dries black. So I'm just putting that on, and I'm using my tweezer just to pick my lashes up, and I'm gonna pop my lashes on. This makes it very easy for me to apply my lashes. I cannot put the glue onto my eyes and then pop the lashes on. I tried that. Well, I mean, put the glue onto the lash and pop it on. I tried that, but it didn't turn out so great. So I like brushing onto my eyes my eyelids or wherever I'm putting my lashes and just put it on. It makes it way easier to do. And these lashes are from AliExpress. I'll try and link them in the description box down below. So to blend everything in and to dust away that powder, I'm going in with my Sephora face powder in the shade medium, and I am just using that to blend everything in. You know, we kind of want it to come together. We don't want the separation and stuff like that. So yeah, you kind of want to do that when you doing your makeup, guys. Alright, so for blush, I'm using my Juvia's Play Saharan blush palette. I'm using that orange and that burnt orange shade. I think those two together on me are adorable and I love them. And you just want to put your I don't smile when I'm putting on my blush, okay? I don't smile because I don't walk away with my cheekbones that high, so I don't smile. And I'm using my Juvia's Place highlighter. I don't remember its name, but I'll link it down below. Then for my eyeliner, I'm using this NYX eye pencil, and I love it for my waterline. Okay, it's nice, it glides on, it's just awesome. And I love to kind of make my eye bold and pop like that. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Yeah. So for setting spray, I'm using my e.l.f. setting spray, and I've had this setting spray forever. For mascara, I am going in my Better Than Sex mascara, and this is one of my favorite mascara, y'all. One of my fave. Okay, it make my lashes pop. Okay, and it's in the shade black. It's black, I think it's black. So I'm going to my Juvia's highlighter. I think this is heroin. I think heroin, yeah. And I'm just putting that on my cheeks, and I'm gonna pop some on my nose. I'm gonna pop some in the corner of my eyes as well, just to give it a little pop. So you can use your finger for that little button thing there, and then you just draw it straight. Yeah, like look at that, look at that. My nose is a little snatch, okay, if I must say so myself. And I'm putting it right there in the little corner of my eyes. You know, that's my thing. Okay, I actually got this from Jackie Ann. I've been watching her for so long, and that inner corner highlight has always done it for me. So for my lips, guys, this is a little ratchet, okay, but my pencil broke, so I'm using this ColourPop lip pencil in the shade Pitch, and I love this. This is my all-time favorite. I use this every day, all day. Okay, so for the lipstick, guys, I'm using my Vaseline. Yes, that's what I use on my lips, and this gives my lips a natural looking glow, and I love it. I always use it. So if y'all want to know what I use on my lips, this is what it is. This is what it is. Okay, y'all, that's it. Doesn't it look cute? Look at it. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. All right, so for this hair, so if y'all are not new, I'm gonna link, I've done the install for this wig already, so I'm going in with my contour shade just to blend the lace onto my scalp a little. You kind of want to do that because it helps your lace to blend. So I want to cover the tracks on the side. It was a little difficult because the closure wasn't as thick as I would want it to be, but I think it worked. So this is what the hair is looking like, and this hair is from Ishowbeauty hair. It's their loose deep wave 4x4 closure wig, and I have her in the length 24 inches. I did go ahead and install her in a separate video, so I'll link that here so you guys can go ahead and watch it, and I'll also put it in the description box if you are interested. So right here now, I'm just trying to lay some baby hairs, and I'm using mousse to do so, or foam. I didn't want to use edge control because it makes them so crunchy, but the mousse give it this natural, it's like it's soft. Okay, it's there, but it's soft, if you get what I'm saying. It's not too hard, it's just soft. All right, so I'm just trying something new with the baby hairs. Okay, y'all, it's not perfect, it didn't come out perfect, but we made it work. I mean, I love baby hairs on my natural hair. When it comes to a wig, not so much, okay. So when it comes to your baby hairs, you can freestyle. They have these new ones now where it's like curly and stuff. You can try that if you want to, and that's what it's looking like. I did tie it down after putting the mousse on. Not sure where that clip, well, here it is. right? So I did tie it down so that it could dry and my baby hairs could set properly. Okay y'all, so yeah, my baby is helping me work. So to let the curls, or to get the curls to pop, I'm using my mousse. Always, mousse is wonderful for curly hair, or just some foam wrap, whatever it is. Anything with that consistency is great for your curly hair. And I'm using my Contour Coconut Curling Cream. This helps also for my curls to form, because I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this week, so the hair was washed, so the curls that it came with was kind of faded out, so I wanted to get them back. So going with my hot comb now, you want to make sure that your wig is as flat as possible. At least I want to do that. I mean, you know it's a wig, I know it's a wig, they know it's a wig, but you don't want to be looking at me like, oh, it's a wig. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? You want it to be flat. Okay, so your hot comb will do that. So if you do wig installs and you don't have a flat comb, sis, you kind of need to get one, because it will step your wig game up. It will move you from like an 8 to like a 10, or from a 7 to like a 10. You know what I'm saying? It helps a whole lot. I should know, I use it a lot. Okay, so I'm going back in with the hot comb just to make sure everything is laying how I want it to lay, guys. So I am putting some concealer on the part just for it to pop. So I'm using my concealer shade in Fawn. So when I want to highlight, this is the shade I use. I am just blending it out with my fingers so that it looks really nice and natural. And again, me and this hot comb. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is what the hair and makeup is looking like, and I am loving it. I'm excited. I hope you guys liked it too. If you like it, or if you like the makeup, just let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, just yeah, let me know. That's the back of the hair, and the hair is beautiful, y'all. It is soft. It had minimum shedding, and it was just easy to work with, to be honest. The lace was easy to customize. It was easy to pluck. It was just easy. It blended perfectly with my skin, even though I did add my foundation to it. So if you had saw my install video, then you would got all of that. You'd have gotten all that information. So that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts about the wig and the makeup in the comment section. I'll leave the link to the wig in the description box. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Keep slaying, queens.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually